Remember, your title is like a door to your video. Make it inviting, interesting, and easy to understand, and you'll have viewers flocking in. Welcome back to your channel AI Tools Corner. Today we have an exciting topic to discuss, one that will revolutionize the way you create YouTube titles. Prepare to unleash AI-generated perfection with the help of VidIQ. We introduce you to the AI YouTube video title generator by VidIQ. This isn't just any tool. It's a wand that can transform the way you title YouTube videos, making them irresistible to viewers. YouTube titles are an essential part of standing out and getting views. But crafting the perfect title can be challenging and time-consuming. That's where VidIQ comes in. Title character. While you can use up to 100 characters, it's often best to keep your titles within 70 characters to ensure that viewers can read the entire title in the search results. VidIQ utilizes a sophisticated AI algorithm that understands your video's content and tailors titles specifically for your target audience. This ensures that your videos are discovered by the right audience, leading to increased views, likes, and subscribers. With VidIQ, you'll also have access to comprehensive analytics to track the performance of your titles. This invaluable data allows you to refine your strategies and continually improve your video's reach and impact. Top 9 tips to perfect your YouTube video title. 1. Relevance. Choose keywords that accurately represent the content of your video. 2. Trending topics. If your video is about a trending topic, include relevant keywords in the title. 3. Specificity. Specific keywords can help you reach a more targeted audience. Include name, place, events, brands, products, etc. 4. High search volume. Use keywords that have a high search volume on YouTube. 5. Low competition. Try to find keywords that are not overly saturated with other videos. 6. Emotive words. Words like unbelievable, shocking, surprising, unexpected can capture attention. 7. Listicle format. Titles that include number generally get more click like top 10, 5 best, 7 ways to can be very effective. 8. Question format. Titles that pose a question can pique viewer interest. 9. Add how-to titles in educational videos. It will always perform well for guides and instructions. Don't just take our word for it. Many successful YouTube creators are already benefiting from VidIQ's AI-generated titles. They have seen a significant increase in views and engagement, catapulting their channels to new heights. VidIQ is more than just an AI title generator. It offers a range of features including keyword research, tag suggestions, and competitor analysis. With VidIQ, you'll have all the tools you need to succeed on YouTube. So, what are you waiting for? Start revolutionizing your YouTube titles with VidIQ today. The future of video optimization is here. You can buy its Pro or Boost version to improve YouTube viewership. For this, you can get a 50% discount for 2 months as well by using prom code AI Tools Corner. Link is in the description below. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Also, leave a comment below and let us know your thoughts on AI-generated titles. See you in the next video.